Adobe Premiere Pro might be the industry standard for video editing, but it's expensive and demands high-end hardware. If you're looking for a powerful, free, and open-source alternative, Kdenlive deserves serious consideration. It's packed with professional features, from advanced keyframe animation to multi-track editing and proxy workflows, making it a strong competitor to Premiere Pro. Kdenlive's keyframe-based motion tools are incredibly intuitive, letting you animate position, scale, rotation, and effects with precision. Unlike some free editors, it supports multi-track editing, offering a magnetic timeline, track grouping, and seamless media handling, ensuring a smooth editing experience even on large projects. One major strength of Kdenlive is its format flexibility. It handles different resolutions, frame rates, and codecs effortlessly, saving you time on file conversions. It also comes with a wide range of built-in effects and transitions, from color correction and blurs to advanced green screen compositing. Need smooth editing for 4K footage on mid-range hardware? Kdenlive's proxy editing feature lets you edit seamlessly without sacrificing quality. Audio editing is another area where Kdenlive excels, with detailed waveforms, real-time volume adjustments, built-in effects, and intuitive keyframing. If you often struggle with Premiere Pro's complex audio automation, you'll find Kdenlive's system much easier to use. When it comes to rendering and exporting, Kdenlive supports a vast range of formats, including MP4, ProRes, and lossless options, and allows you to save custom export presets for efficiency. Unlike many free editors, it gives you full control over bitrate, resolution, frame rate, and codec settings, ensuring top-tier output quality. After testing Kdenlive extensively, it's clear that this isn't just a basic free editor. It's a genuinely solid Premiere Pro alternative. While it may take some time to get used to, its feature set, flexibility, and performance make it a powerful choice for video creators. So, if you're tired of Adobe's expensive subscriptions or just want a lightweight yet capable editor, Kdenlive is definitely worth trying. What do you think? Will you make the switch? Let us know in the comments. And subscribe to TechVerse for more tech insights. Description: 150 words. Looking for a free Premiere Pro alternative? Kdenlive is a powerful, open-source video editor packed with professional features. It supports advanced keyframing, multi-track editing, smooth proxy workflows, flexible format handling, and intuitive audio tools. Unlike other free editors, Kdenlive offers a magnetic timeline, built-in effects, real-time transitions, and high-quality rendering options, making it a serious competitor to Premiere Pro. Plus, its proxy editing feature allows smooth 4K editing even on mid-range hardware. If you're tired of expensive Adobe subscriptions or just want a lightweight yet capable editor, Kdenlive is a must-try. Watch now to see why Kdenlive is a game changer for video editors. And don't forget to subscribe to TechVerse for more tech insights.